Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials, model, iOS version, and that you have a current backup. Once done, back up to iCloud or to your Mac. Make sure the backup completed. Now open Settings and go straight to General iPhone Storage to start analysis. You will see a storage bar and recommendations. Read those quickly because they guide targeted deletions. Tap a large app to inspect documents and data. This is where you reclaim the biggest chunks of space quickly. Now address the middle, more complex steps. Offload or delete big apps. Choose Offload app to keep its documents if you might reinstall. Next, open Messages and sort conversations by size. Delete large videos and attachments first, and then entire threads if they are unnecessary. Also clear Safari's cache and website data in Settings Safari, and check files for big downloads you no longer need. These targeted deletions free up space without erasing essential settings or accounts. Finish by restarting your iPhone. This lets the system reclaim cache storage and updates the free space reading. Once rebooted, check Settings General iPhone Storage again to verify gains and to spot any remaining large items. If storage remains unexpectedly high, inspect recently deleted folders and app caches, then repeat targeted removals. If problems persist, back up, then use Erase all content and settings to start fresh. And remember, if anything goes wrong, restore from a verified backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.